If you've ever said, "I just need to be more consistent," I want you to pause for a second, because the truth is, you don't need more motivation. You don't need more self-control. You need a better system. And the best part? It starts with something you're already doing every day. Here's the problem. Most people try to force new habits into their day. They wake up and say, "I'll start journaling today. I'll hit the gym this week." But there's no trigger, no anchor. So by day 3, they're back to scrolling on the couch. And it's not your fault. Your brain isn't wired to hold on to abstract goals. It's wired to recognize patterns, which means if a new habit doesn't have a place to fit in, it gets forgotten. Not because you're lazy, because your brain doesn't know where to put it. The key is something called habit stacking. Coined by B.J. Fogg and popularized by James Clear, it's the idea of attaching a new behavior to something you already do, so it becomes automatic, not something you have to remember. Here's how you start habit stacking, in 3 steps. Step 1. Identify a daily habit you already do. Think simple and consistent. Brushing your teeth, making your bed, pouring your first cup of coffee, locking your front door. These are gold because you do them without thinking. Step 2. Choose a new tiny habit you want to build. Now pick one behavior that's meaningful, but small. 5 push-ups, 2 minutes of journaling, 3 deep breaths, drinking a glass of water. Keep it simple. Keep it short. You're not trying to be amazing yet. You're creating the starting line. Step 3. Use the formula. The structure looks like this. After I current habit, I will new habit. Examples: after I brush my teeth, I'll do 10 squats. After I make coffee, I'll write 3 things I'm grateful for. After I close my laptop for the day, I'll sit in silence for 60 seconds. You're not adding pressure, you're creating a link. Over time, the old habit pulls the new one with it. That's how real behavior change happens. This isn't just about getting fit or being more productive. It's about identity. Because the real magic of habit stacking is this. When you repeatedly take small actions, you're casting votes for the type of person you're becoming. You're not trying to meditate. You're becoming a calm person. You're not trying to write more. You're becoming a writer. It's not about outcomes. It's about becoming someone who shows up. And every time you follow through, no matter how small, you reinforce, "This is who I am now." So here's what I want you to do. Pick one habit you already do and stack one new tiny habit to it. Do it today, not tomorrow. Today. Drop your habit stack below. I'd love to see what you're building. Change doesn't start with big goals. It starts with one tiny win, one stacked habit, one new you. If this video helped, hit like so YouTube shows it to someone else who needs it. Subscribe for more weekly mental upgrades. And remember, small steps stack into big change.